Yeah. Okay, I need the rubbing alcohol. This is like brand new. 1 stick of RAM. What's the memory size on this thing? This is 512 megabytes. This thing's practically mint. Bruh. There's the hard drive. This thing's like mint. Okay, this one's probably worse. I haven't been in here. This plate was already kind of off. Let's see. Okay, this one looks a bit worse. That's more like what I expected. Yeah, that's what I expected. Okay, so here's what the computer currently looks like. I have questionable stuff on the hard drive. And I got mold down here, and there's the internet card. I'm gonna have to remove the internet card. That's just, no, it's too gross. So overall, it's actually still in better condition than I expected, but okay. This heatsink is disgusting. Okay, look. That is caked on. I'm going to literally have to remove the entire heat sink. And I'm getting rid of this. I am swapping it with another fan. I am not cleaning this. This is just too repugnant. Okay, so the monitor is here. This computer I've tested and it works. This one, I tried turning it on. It does work. Okay. That light's on. I don't see anything. And this has nothing. It's just orange. I figured out how to remove the hard drives, and yeah, this is definitely disgusting. Time to swap them with this thing, which is blank. I swapped the hard drives. Let's see. Did I get the wrong hard drive again? I think I did. New hard drive. This does have Windows on it, of a fact. This should fool it into thinking I have the lid closed. Look at that. Windows 98. Look at that. Oh! Windows 98! Whoa! I got it working! Woo! So, it's been about 2 or 3 months since I filmed that. Yes, I'm lazy. Shut up. So, basically, I've been using this thing a lot. And, this PC is broken. Everything you saw in the video, the fan starts spinning and then nothing happens. I mean, the lights light up and that's it. I think the power button might be broken, but I don't really care. And then this, it's now my computer that runs Windows 98. So at least 2 out of the 3 computers work. So this is the hard drive that had the tape. I cleaned it up. It's broken. And then this one, I have no clue how to connect it and use it. So, yeah. I guess I'm gonna have to get that fixed later.